Yerbanyang. It is the literal middle of the night and I can't sleep. I'm sure you've seen the title of this video. Yeah, I'm hopping on the bandwagon. And today we are trying a Tati Westbrook, aka Glam Life Guru, makeup tutorial. I've got it pulled up on my tablet. Which one did I pick? Easy 5-minute smoky eye. Anything that says easy in 5 minutes is right up my alley, especially since it's the middle of the night. I think this is from like a year ago, almost a year ago, I think in April it'll be a year. I checked, but I can't really remember. Anyway, let's go. Play.
Right in. Okay, first things first, I'm going to go in with a shadow stick. Now, you could use a cream shadow in a little jar.
We'll be using cream shadows.
I would suggest using something that is more of an actual cream base than shimmer base.
Yeah. What color are you using?
Don't scream, you guys. I know. Forgive me.
I love Tati, though. Her videos are always great.
I used to do eye makeup like this all the time, and I would use different options, which I'm going to list in the description box below. But the one I'm using today is by Terry, and this is very expensive. But this is the Black Star shadow.
I'm using these cream shadows down here. They're not very expensive, and I've had them for 100,000 years. So, dark color. Well, we'll use this color. She's using this, I don't know. What does she call it? Brown?
I mean, we've all seen a deep
espresso. I don't have that. So, we're using that one.
Feel like, oh my gosh, I don't have like the biggest budget in the world, and that means you can't do this look.
Use what you got. That's what I'm doing.
I'm going to go pretty close to the inner
corner.
All right, so I'm going to take my middle finger, and I am going to...
Okay. Fingers. I love when people use their fingers for their makeup. You know, this is going to be all over. Lord have mercy. I've had these, I can't tell you how long. At least 6 years. Never used the cream shadows. Forgot it even had cream shadows until I was reading the box that this came in. Then what? She takes her other finger?
Kind of almost pat and pull away in and pull down.
Okay.
So you see I'm going up a little bit above where the color is, and I'm pulling it down. But it's
I feel like I can't really reach that. But that's probably just me.
If you're behind and you don't want to create a ton of wrinkles, so be as gentle
as you
don't.
But we age like vampires in my family, Tati, so it's not an issue. I had a tissue. Where did it go? Here it is. Okay. Well, that's as good as mine's gonna get.
Smudged out, I will then take the finger right next door, my ring finger, and that one does not have any product on it.
Mine's also not as dark as hers, so.
I have it kind of smoked out the way.
What next?
Up to the crease again. And this is
went too far.
Color tattoo. This is the shade Creamy Chocolate, and I'm gonna go over everything that we just put down up to the crease.
So we're gonna take the lighter shade.
Further lock things in, but also brighten and lighten things up just a little bit.
Yeah, let's see if mine does that.
Now,
let's see if mine does that. Kind of. Kind of did. Okay.
You don't have to do this. You can take an even lighter shade. I'm just going to show you what it looks like layered on top because I'm going to end up using more of a copper shade, but just to show you as an option.
What is this? This is optional?
More of a bronzy lighter shade. This is from Marc Jacobs. Now I can put this right in the center.
Are we doing that?
Pat it in.
It's optional. We're not doing that. What next?
This is not going to move until I wash it off at the end of the day. It's going to look exactly
Mine's probably going to move and look like crap because I'm going to sleep in it. So.
Or have any flaking or fallout, which is such a huge win. You don't have to even think about your eyeshadow at all. So now we're going to move into this guy right here. This is Touch and Soul. This is the Metalist Liquid Foil. Now this is just because
I don't have that
the other day and I was like, this is the prettiest combo ever that I am I'm showing you this, but you would be welcome to, throw on some liner, work on the lower lash line, and call this right here a great smoky eye and be out the door. But something that I really
Let's see what else she's got.
I think is such an eye.
What else are we doing?
The first step, which is what gives
glitter
something to grab to.
I don't have glitter. All the glitters I have, gold is not one of them.
With this product,
I'm gonna take this.
A little fallout, which kind of sucks. But you can just kind of brush it away. Or you could do this whole thing before you even do your
and apply that.
What I'm going to do for my lower lash line is go back with the first product that we used from By Terry. And I am just going to drag this. I don't want to drag it too low. I'm going to focus kind of like I am my lower lash
That's too far back and I can't reach what I'm doing.
5% of the way in. And I'm working one eye at a time because you don't want this stuff to dry.
Hold on. You're getting ahead of me because I forgot to pause the video. I feel like I'm a mess from these. These are very sticky. Mine are sticky. She's got the nice stick ones. I have 100-year-old makeup. Alright, so what are we up to now?
Low. I'm going to focus kind of like
okay. The first color? I have a brush for that. I have a brush for that. The hell color did I use? This one. Oh, crap. Did I get makeup on my Sheldon shirt? I hope not. Wait a minute. Okay, no, we're good. Sorry. Okay, so we're going to go down here. How this brush kind of hurts. I don't even think this brush was even meant for this, but whatever. Okay, maybe these shadows kind of suck. I used the silver one yesterday. That one worked pretty good. I'm not going to do the tapping like she did because this brush is kind of doing it for me. Ooh, that was a lot. Okay.
Brightness to that lower lash line and to the inner corner is take something that is not champagne, it's not overly bright, it's not going to match the lid, but it is a touch lighter than what we have here, and it has a little bit of a metallic finish.
I do.
From Jordana.
I don't know what the hell color it's supposed to be, but it's not the color she's got, that's for sure. We'll go with this one. That, for some reason, to you probably looks white, but it's not. Hold on, wait a minute. Thank you. Inner corner. That's what we're doing. I forgot for like 3 seconds what I was actually doing. Oh, that's nice. This one I like. See, like these lighter ones work a whole lot better. Ooh, and I got some right there. Okay. Well, that's probably not right. That's probably not right, but that's why I'm not Tati. Nothing I do is ever right. But whatever. Okay, what does she say now? Eyeliner? Hallelujah.
From Jane Cosmetics, that is one of my very, very favorites. It's very rich.
I have, that's not the right end. Haha! I've got a similar thing for once.
Then I'm also going to line the upper.
Oh, no. Oh, no, with the thing in the eye. Wait a minute. I can't with that upper waterline stuff. So we're just going to go down here like a sane person. One time I managed to tight line my eye one time. And never again. Never again.
Does take 2 seconds. You can take a crease brush. You don't have to. I mean, you could walk out the door with a little mascara
what do we got
on
now?
top of this and be totally
mascara.
Good. If you want to take it to that perfectionist
adding
level,
extra shadow. No, not doing
mascara,
that.
It is so good. It thickens, it lengthens, it's out. So this is the completed look.
Just add some mascara, which I hate, but there's no falsies in this, which I love, because I'm not doing that in the middle of the night. Alright. We're done. I'm a little more sparkly on this side, but that's cool. Anyway, this was probably horrible, and it's the middle of the night. But anyway, here you go. Attempted to be Tati. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.